kids, how are you? I'm great, thank you. Let's start our English lesson. Firstly, I will show you some pictures, okay? Some parts of the pet, and you will guess what is the pet, okay? Hadi tahmin edelim bakalım. Yes, what is it? Is it a cat? No. Is it a turtle? No. Is it a dog? Yes, it's a dog. Bravo, good. And what is this? Is it a dog? No. Is it a parrot? No. Is it a hamster? Yes, it is a hamster. Okay. And what is this? Is it a cat? No. Is it a parrot? No. Is it a frog? Yes, it's a frog. And jump like a frog. Jump. Okay, good. What is this? Is it a cat? No. Is it a bird? No. Is it a turtle? Yes, it's a turtle. And walk like a turtle. Walk. Okay, good. What is this? Is it a hamster? No. Is it a parrot? No. Is it a bird? Yes, it's a bird. Okay, and fly like a bird. Fly, fly. Okay. What is this? What is this? Is it a cat? No. Is it a bird? No. Is it a rabbit? Yes, it's a rabbit. Bravo. Okay, jump like a rabbit. Jump. Okay, good. And what is this? Is it a cat? No. Is it a bird? No. Is it a parrot? Yes, it's a parrot. Good. Okay. What is this? Is it a rabbit? No. Is it a dog? No. Is it a cat? Yes, it's a cat. Good. Okay. And class, do you have a pet? Senin bir evcil hayvanın var mı? I have a cat. Yes, you know, Mio. Yes. Where is Mio? Mio. Mio. Where are you? Oh. Yes. Okay. I have a pet. I have a cat, you know. Right? His name is Mio. Okay. Hello. Hello. Say goodbye, Mio. Okay. Class, what's your favorite pet? Senin en favori evcil hayvanın hangisi? I like cats. I like cats so much. What's your favorite pet? Aslında ben bütün hayvanları çok seviyorum ama benim en favorim kediler. Right? I like cats. Good. Yes kids, you have a homework. Şimdi bir ödeviniz var. Ödevinizi nasıl yapacağınızı ben anlatacağım size. İlk önce en favori evcil hayvanınızı çiziyorsunuz. Okay? Draw your favorite pet. Then color. Okay? Then cut. Right? My favorite pet is cat. Okay? I colored and cut the cat. Okay? Daha sonra kağıda bazı eşyalar çiziyorsunuz. Ne gibi? Mesela bat. It's a bat. Right? It's the table. It's the basket. It's the television. Okay? Şimdi ben bunları çizdim. Siz başka eşyalar çizebilirsiniz. Bunları da yapabilirsiniz. Daha sonra sorular sorarak cevaplıyoruz. Nasıl sorular soracağız? Geçen hafta öğrenmiştik, hatırlayalım. Where, nerede? In, içinde. On, üstünde. Under, altında demekti. Daha sonra sorular sorup cevaplıyoruz. Listen to me. Okay? Yes. Where is the cat? Yes. It's on the bed. Good. Now, where is the cat? Yes, where is the cat? It's under the table. It's under the table. Good. So, where is the cat? Where is the cat? It's in the basket. Right? It's in the basket. Good. Where is the cat? Oh, where is the cat? It's on the television. Okay. You can change the pet, right? If you like bird, you can do it with a bird. Okay. Where is the bird? It's on the television. Where is the bird? It's under the table. Okay? Yes, good. Evet, ödevimizi haftaya kadar yapalım. Okay? And diğer verdiğim ödevleri de yapalım lütfen. I love you so much. Goodbye.